Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are learning about animal sounds. Dog. Dog barks. Frog. Frog croak. Tiger. Tiger growl. Peacock. Peacock screams. Elephant. Elephant trumpet. Fox. Fox yelp. Cat. Cat meow. Duck. Duck quack. Penguin. Penguin honk. Zebra. Zebra whinny. Monkey. Monkey chatter. Squirrel. Squirrel also chatter. Cow. Cow moo. Owl. Owl hoot. Parrot. Parrot squawk. Giraffe. Giraffe grunt. Camel. Camel groan. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee hoot. Horse. Horse neigh. Eagle. Eagle screech. Mouse. Mouse squeak. Ostrich. Ostrich booming. Donkey. Hee-haw. Rabbit. Rabbit squeak. Lion. Roar. Wolf. Wolf howl. Snake. Snake hiss. Pigeon. Pigeon coo. Bee. Bee buzz. Sheep. Sheep baa. Chick. Chick cheep. Bull. Bull bellow. Bat. Bat screech. Lamb. Lamb bleat. Hippo. Hippo growl. Mosquito. Mosquito whine. Goat. Goat bleat. Goose. Goose cackle. Pig. Pig grunt or snort. Bird. Bird chirp. Crow. Crow caw caw. Dolphin. Dolphin click. Cricket. Chirp. Polar bear. Polar bear growl. Cuckoo. Cuckoo coo. Swan. Swan trumpet. Wasp. Wasp buzz. Kangaroo. Kangaroo chortle. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.